In my previous video, I discussed why I prefer the viral Home Depot Elegant Fur over the viral Grand Duchess. That video is linked in the description below. This time, the Home Depot viral Grand Duchess is back in stores. However, I have found a potentially even better tree. Let's discuss it. They're both priced the same and have a 3-year limited warranty. And these beauties both have a generous 56-inch spread. They both stand at a 7.5-foot height. You can also get them in a 9-foot height, but the Grand Duchess takes a point for being available in the 12-foot. They both have a foot pedal and remote operation. Both trees have similar light features. The Grand Duchess has 10 light functions, excluding the demo mode and the timer. Our mystery tree takes 1 point because it has an extra function at 11. And now let's discuss the differences. The Grand Duchess on your left has 3,271 realistic tips. The mystery tree on your right has 4,795 realistic tips. So therefore, the mystery tree takes 1 point over the Grand Duchess because it has 1,524 extra tips. The Grand Duchess has 2,250 lights. The mystery tree has 1,850 lights. The Grand Duchess takes a point here because it has 400 extra lights than our mystery tree. And now for the ultra-observable, objective girl science. The Grand Duchess has a deep forest green color to it, whereas the mystery tree has a sage bluish tint to it. The way I think of it is this mystery tree is a blue spruce. The Grand Duchess, as we know, is a balsam fir. You can actually see the branches themselves have at least a double weight to them over the Grand Duchess. The Grand Duchess has finer needles and is a little bit more delicate if you like that look. They both have a very similar construction. On the interior, they're using the more traditional tinsel-like technology, and on the exterior, they're using the PE, which are molded, realistic, real touch plastic tips. The mystery tree has very subtle branch visibility within the pine needles, whereas the Grand Duchess has a much more pronounced branch. Some reviews have mentioned that the Grand Duchess can be seen from outer space. One of my fine viewers has actually mentioned that she needed sunglasses to enjoy the look of this thing. So if you prefer a light with a warmer and a radiant spread, I highly recommend our mystery tree. These are the color settings. As you can see, the mystery tree has a radiant light. So even though it has less lights, it still radiates so much further that you almost cannot make out the difference. I would say that radiant light creates a dreamy, surreal effect because it sort of bleeds out. Whereas the Grand Duchess has pixel-perfect lighting. Think pointillism. The identity of the mystery tree? Your local Costco, assuming you have one nearby. So which one is better? Well, as the old Latin adage says, de gustibus non est disputandum. There is no dispute on matters of taste. Did you guess that the mystery tree was from Costco? So tell me, which tree stole your heart? Was it the regal Grand Duchess or the surprise Costco contender? Comment below and let me know your favorite. I love hearing what you think. And if you're still wondering how easy these trees are to assemble, well, I think I'll just let the video speak for itself. Thank you so much for watching and staying till the end. And if you'd like to see how I decorated my tree and the rest of my home for Christmas, make sure to check out this video next. It's full of festive ideas and cozy inspiration. Also, the 2025 Christmas Decorate With Me video is in the making, so please stay tuned for that.